Here is how to find someone on Fancily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can find someone on the Fancily platform. So let's start. First of all, go to fancily.com, then after log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now in order to search for someone, you can simply tap on the search option that you can see at the bottom. After that, you can search for their location or their name, any information that you have. For example, if you want to look for a particular person by their name, you can simply tap on this bar and then enter the name. As you write the name and search for it, you'll find various creators with that particular name. So search for the creator that you are looking for. After you have found their profile, you can simply tap on it, then it will open their profile. Now you can follow or message them or do anything that you want with that particular person. So in this way, you can easily find someone on Fancily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.